Now that you can turn left and right, you can go far more different places. Yeah, you can go a lot more places. So at the end of the road, turn right. Good, position on the right. Oh, that's a great waiting position. See how that line is exactly in the same relation to the door mirror. Let's get into first gear now that you've stopped. Is that first? Palm of the hand, first gear. I'm just going to wind the window down a bit so you can hear what's coming. Don't forget your handbrake. Much better, really good. Grace under pressure with the car behind you. Fantastic. Loving it.
Nice.
Okay, so we're going to turn right at the next junction. Turning right first thing is. And again, let's stop for an imaginary car. We might get a real one.
Oh, or a bicycle.
And, so we're going to stop with the centre line under the door mirror. And let's wait for this blue car. And stop. You could go a tiny bit further forward, couldn't we? Let's get into first gear. The palm of the hand, first gear. Put the clutch down. That's it. Just sit tight here. And let's go after the blue car. Just bring the clutch up a little bit, not all the way. Off we go. That's it. And then put it down again if you need to control the speed. Very good. Okay. Second gear now that we're moving. How's it going? Having fun yet?
Kind of. Also, there's so many cars everywhere.
It's a little bit busier than it usually is on a Saturday morning. All the way to the end of the road and turn right. Turning right, first thing is position on the right. So it's like a sort of body language, isn't it? I'm intending to go to the right. And let's stop on the line if you can, because you can't really see. Fantastic stopping position. So you've got maximum visibility there without really sticking out at all. Alright, so just don't commit too much because you still can't see what's going on that side. Very good. Put the clutch down and bring it up again. Now that you can turn left and right, you can go far more different places. Yeah, you can go a lot more places. That's right. Only, it's expanding your horizons. If you can only turn left, you're turn right. So let's be on the right hand side of the road and we're going to stop on the line. You don't have to go up all the way up to the line, of course.